This video presentation is on how to use the fume hood. It is a ventilation device designed to prevent exposure to fumes from hazardous substances. The components of fume hood: duct, airfoil, baffles, sash, monitor, work surface, storage cabinet. The three important regions in the fume hood are the exhaust duct. It takes out fumes into the environment. Face. It is the imaginary plane from the bottom of the sash to the work surface. Airfoil. It streamlines airflow into the hood, preventing turbulent eddies at surface. Airflow monitors to ensure correct airflow. Baffles are slots at back of the hood. It keeps a uniform airflow across the face of the hood. Sash. A movable glass barrier that opens or closes face of hood. The types of sashes are vertical sash type, horizontal sash type, and combination of both sashes. Work surface. It is the area where work is performed or an apparatus is placed. The function of hood. This is an overview of airflow in hood. The airflow types. Constant air volume. It maintains constant volume of air. Variable air volume. It maintains constant face velocity. Auxiliary air. Dedicated duct which brings air from outside of the building. The types of fume hood. A perchloric acid hood is built in with water washdown system. When acid is heated to 72 degrees Celsius, it vaporizes and condenses on the hood, which is then washed out. Radioactive hood. The interior work surface must be stainless steel. Floor mounted hood. It is used in applications which require large apparatus. Ductless recirculating hood. It recirculates air into the lab through HEPA or charcoal filters. How to use the fume hood. In any type of hood, first switch on the light and then the airflow. In vertical sash type hood, open the sash vertically to appropriate height, that is slightly below the maximum height. Always wear gloves and lab coats while working in the hood. In horizontal sash type, open the sash horizontally. It provides this limited width to work. Place your hands alone into the hood. In case of any explosive reactions, sash can be opened such that it covers the user completely. The sash serves as a protecting shielding to the user. After work, close the sashes properly. For proper and safe use of fume hood, keep all apparatus 6 inches away from the edge of the hood. Paper strip at sash should indicate correct airflow. Sash height should be slightly lower to the maximum height. Don't keep chemical bottles opened inside the hood. Don't open both the sashes at a time in combination type of hoods. Don't use hood as a storage place. Thank you.